Namaskaram. My name is Ramesh Natarajan and you have reached the GRDIS Gurukul Vidyalaya. We are an inclusive team and we specially encourage ladies to chant, including Vedas. Atha Navamodhyayah. Om Namah Chandikayai.
Om Namah Chandikayai. Om Namah Chandikayai.
Om Rajovacha.
Om Rajovacha. Om Rajovacha.
Vichitramidamakhyatam.
Vichitramidamakhyatam. Vichitramidamakhyatam.
Bhagavan Bhavata Mama.
Bhagavan Bhavata Mama. Bhagavan Bhavata Mama.
Vichitramidamakhyatam Bhagavan Bhavata Mama.
Vichitramidamakhyatam. Bhagavan Bhavata Mama. Vichitramidamakhyatam. Bhagavan Bhavata Mama.
Devyāscharita-mahatmyam.
Devyāscharita-mahatmyam. Devyāscharita-mahatmyam.
Rakta-bijavadhashritam.
Rakta-bijavadhashritam. Rakta-bijavadhashritam.
Devyāscharita-mahatmyam Rakta-bijavadhashritam.
Devyāscharita-mahatmyam. Rakta-bijavadhashritam. Devyāscharita-mahatmyam. Rakta-bijavadhashritam.
Bhoyaschechamyaham shrotam.
Bhoyaschechamyaham shrotam. Bhoyaschechamyaham shrotam.
Rakta-bije nipatite.
Rakta-bije nipatite. Rakta-bije nipatite.
Bhoyaschechamyaham shrotam Rakta-bije nipatite.
Bhoyaschechamyaham shrotam. Rakta-bije nipatite.
Dear friends, very recently we have brought out our Durga Saptasiddhi book. We have published this in 6 languages. This is in Sanskrit, and I'll also show to you in Telugu, in Tamil, in Malayalam, Kannadam, and English. These 700 shlokas of Durga Saptasiddhi are as per Guptavati, the magnum opus of Sri Bhaskara Raya. These books are available in Amazon, India, and if you are living in North America or anywhere else, you can always get someone to deliver it to you, buy it and post it to you.